The Cloisters has drawn the number 1, a filly by God's Walk. I think she's a good rough hope in the race. The Cloisters off and running in the Champagne. Sky Chase not the best out, but by the same token, it was a pretty even start. Bouncing out in front is the Cloisters over Lily Antoinette, Lygon Arms out wide, and then Whiskey Supreme. Nobody wants to lead, and they're muddling along in the early part. Flotilla close handy. Sky Chase improved rapidly to poke up into about 5th spot behind that leading division. Then Mighty Willem and Mr. Mercury, followed by Boasting, Omnicorp and Lord Westminster, and back at the tail, Dawnville. In the run to the first turn in the Champagne, and Lily Antoinette pulled away to the front. The pace has quickened a little now. Lily Antoinette about a neck on the Cloisters, a length away. Lygon Arms 3 deep on the outside of Whiskey Supreme and Sky Chase. 2.5 lengths away, Mighty Willem, followed by Mr. Mercury. Flotilla's out 3 deep at the 800 mark. Further back in the field then, as they go over the crossing, is Boasting. At the head of the others, Lord Westminster. Omnicorp out deep, and Dawnville is the trailer. 700 metres out as they near the turn. Lily Antoinette in the centre again is almost joined by the Cloisters. Lygon Arms being allowed to stride up by Dittman on the outside. Sky Chase has pegged away on the fence as they come to the turn on the inside of Whiskey Supreme, followed by Mighty Willem and Flotilla. Omnicorp is taking off. Dawnville is going with him, and they're both right off the track on the corner. Boasting behind them. Over the rise in the Champagne, and the Cloisters just led Lily Antoinette. Lygon Arms pouncing on them now. Getting a rails run is Sky Chase if he's good enough, followed by Mighty Willem and Flotilla. The run comes for Sky Chase. He's dashed through to head the Cloisters. They've kicked away clear of Lygon Arms, followed by Omnicorp and Flotilla, but Sky Chase shot clear with 100 to go, and he's going to win the Champagne Stakes in a breeze. Sky Chase came away to beat Flotilla. 3rd the Cloisters, 4th Omnicorp, followed by Mr. Mercury, Boasting, Mighty Willem, well back Lord Westminster, and then Whiskey Supreme, Dawnville and Lily Antoinette. And there he is, Lygon Arms, with his job on anything but racing today, weakening right out of it to finish last in the Champagne Stakes of 1987. Sky Chase, arguably the best maiden in Australia coming into this race. He hadn't won in 4 starts, but boy, had he shown some ability. He got a rails run, and it was Johnny Marshall going for home on Sky Chase, who has definitely lightened off. There's no doubt about that. He doesn't look quite as well as he did, but his ability got him there. And I think you'll find he'll head straight for the Spelling Paddocks now. And there is one useful horse. In fact, hasn't Bart Cummings got something to look forward to in the spring, Ken?
He certainly has.
A front leg action. He's got an exaggerated way of going, but a huge stride by the same token. And he's by Star Way, the sire of the champion galloper, our Waverley Star. There he is. Look at that white paint on his off stifle there. He's brushed the running rail. In fact, I think he did that in the home straight. I noticed on one of those slow-mo replays, he just seemed to brush the rail for a stride. That's a treble to Johnny Marshall today, a treble, and he's really flying. Kenneth, me boy, the St Ledger is the next to capture our attention. What do you like in this? It's Marie Linden, who's had a mount in most of the classic races in the last few weeks, including the Golden Slipper and the Derby. Be nice to see her.
It was never a place for the faint-hearted, this traditional